Hi everyone, so it's official. We have a hurricane coming up to us soon. I know that all of you are getting prepared and getting the supplies that you need to be home with your families this week. But I also wanted to give you some information about what to think about when it comes to your children and their emotions. Remember that your children take their safety cues from you. So please be mindful of the energy and your emotional state when you're around the children. This does not mean that you pretend that everything is fine. Everything is not fine, and your children will see right through it. There's something interesting about our brain. When our brain hears something verbally and something non-verbally, our facial structure, our energy, if the verbal and the non-verbal do not match, our brain defaults to the non-verbal. So even if you're telling your child, no, everything's fine, but your energy is anxious or your energy is scared, they're not going to believe what you are saying. I would much rather all of you out there just say, yeah, so hurricane's coming to Florida. But remember that mommy and daddy always keep you safe, and we have made plans and we have made sure that we are safe. Now, next. Because of this thing, your routine is completely gone. Everything is different. So when routine goes awry and children can't predict what is happening for them, that's when bad behavior happens. So please be mindful that some of the behavior that your children will be having in the next 4 days is because their routine is completely different. And for some of us, it's because we're locked inside a little tiny space or a big space. So please plan for that, and please be mindful and understanding of how their routine shift can be very disruptive to their behavior. And last, this is the time to do lots of fun things with your kiddos. It's the time to make forts. It's the time to sit with your adolescent and talk to them about what they think about the new episodes of whatever show they're binging on in Netflix. Allow this opportunity for all of us having to stop everything that we're doing to reconnect with your child, especially if the electricity goes out, because none of the screens are going to be available. So make forts with your little ones. Talk with your teenager. Simon Says is really fun for the school age group. Besides having water and all those other things, have a family board games. Just enjoy the time that you're spending with your children.